Hi, it's Phil from Inclusive Music, teaching the world to make music with BandLab. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the power and potential of the free music making app BandLab. And in particular, the incredible features of AutoTune and the special effects you can put on your voice and on any other instrument. Coming up. So I'm just about to record with BandLab, the mobile app, and here's a few tracks I've got. You can see I've already recorded some bass, some guitar, and I'm about to do the vocals. And my intention is to show you the incredible AutoTune function once I've recorded the vocals. All I've got here is I'm using an iPhone X, and that's why I've got this lead adapter so that the headphones can come in here. And I'm using these really nice Sennheiser IE40 Pro in-ear monitoring headphones, which I highly recommend. But of course, you can use whatever you've got. So I think I'm ready. So all I'm going to do is cue up to bar, we'll start at bar 15 and I'm going to start singing at bar 17. I'm not a singer, by the way. I don't like singing, but for the benefits of this, to show you how incredibly powerful the mobile app is, I am prepared to embarrass myself and also show you the benefits of AutoTune. Okay, so I'm just going to press record here. I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. I just wanna get ready to play. Under the moonlight, baby, I don't wanna play no games. 'Cause I've been working hard all day. I just wanna get ready to play. Under the moonlight, baby. And stop. And we can see the recording has been made in red. Let's just have a quick listen. Start there. I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. I just wanna get ready to play. Under the moonlight, baby, I don't wanna. So now let's explore the AutoTune feature and the amazing special effects. First of all, let's put in a loop, which is the orange bar up the top. You can see I've set it from bar 17 to 25. And you can change that by just sliding your finger backwards and forwards. There's a tab here that we can pull out to reveal the volume, the sliding volume there, mute and solo, and panning left and right. I don't wanna play no games. So to really hear the effect of the AutoTune, we're going to solo the vocal track. So I'm going to press S, and all the others are grayed out. I don't wanna play no games. Now, double tap on the green track, the vocal track. And you can see now AutoPitch, AutoTune. It's off at the moment, so you can't hear any effect. There are 3 settings: light, medium, and heavy. So I'm going to put on light to start by just tapping it. Let's have a listen. I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. Very subtle. Let's go for medium. I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. Again, not really a huge effect, so let's go for the heavy. I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. I just wanna get ready to play. Under the moonlight, baby. Now you can really hear the effect kick in. Here is the tuning where we can experiment with changing the key or the scale to fit in with the track. So if, like me, you're not a particularly good singer, you can actually tune it in so that the tuning, the auto-tune, the auto-pitch will make it in key. Let's go chromatic. This is where it defaults to. I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. But we can go right down from D flat. I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. And we can tune it all the way up to B. I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. But what we really need to do is put the backing track in so that we can hear the effect in context. So I'm going to tap this little arrow up here, the down arrow, and I'm going to unmute the rest of the tracks by pressing the S. I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. And now, because the auto tune isn't right, it sounds completely out of tune and it doesn't sound very good. So let's double tap the track and start changing it. I'll keep it playing and just change the auto tune until it sounds good. I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. I just wanna get ready to play. Under the moonlight, baby, I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. I just wanna get ready to play. Under the moonlight, baby, I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. I just wanna get ready to play. Under the moonlight, baby. Okay, that sounds good to me. So the next thing to explore is the effects tab. If I tap that, currently there are no effects on. Now, it's incredible what BandLab have done here because there are literally loads of effects. Ambient rocker, Beatles slapback, classic chamber. And the amazing thing they've just done recently is allow you to edit the effects. So you might think that part of it sounds good, but there's not enough reverb or it's not loud enough, and you can change that. So let's go back to the beginning. And there's no effect. And I'm just going to go through them and then maybe demonstrate how you can change some of the effects if you find one you like. I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. I just wanna get ready to play. Under the moonlight, baby, I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. I just wanna get ready to play. Under the moonlight, baby, I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. I just wanna get ready to play. Under the moonlight, baby, I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. So I like that hi-fi scoop, and maybe I want to edit it so you can see this circle here with some faders, and I'm going to tap that, and here we can see the settings and the effects used. So there's not just one effect on here. There's EQ3M. That's an equalizer, a graphic equalizer, where we can boost the low, the mid, or the high, and the mid sweep. Now this might not mean too much to you, and that doesn't really matter. It's about trying things out and seeing if it improves the sound as far as you're concerned. So if I play it. I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. So just increase the high frequency so the treble comes through and it cuts through a little bit more. But I'll just experiment and you can hear the effect as we do it.
I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. I just wanna get ready to play. Under the moonlight, baby, I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. I just wanna get...
But that's just one effect. That's the EQ. If I tap here, we've got a digi compressor, and a compressor will make things really loud or quiet. There's lots of things you can do. I don't want to go into too much detail about that, but once again, it's about experimenting and find out how it sounds. So let's play it.
I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. I just wanna get ready to play. Under the moonlight, baby, I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. I just...
Okay, and let's see what else we've got. A space maker. So this is a reverb, which is the sound where you might sound like you're in a big chamber. It has the setting here. A large hall. Let's have a listen to that.
I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. I just wanna get ready to play.
Let's change it to something smaller, like a room, a small room. Let's play it.
I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day.
So the mix is the amount of reverb we have. If I take it down to 0, you won't hear anything. If it comes up to 100, it gets really over the top. The width is the size in the stereo mix, and the room size. The bigger the room, the more reverberations. So again, it's about experimentation.
I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. I just wanna get ready to play. Under the moonlight, baby, I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. I just wanna get ready to play.
And we've even got a plus where we can add extra effects. So if I tap that, we've got a huge amount of choice. Driver, EQ, filter, echo, graphic equalizer, phase 45. That's the recommended ones. Then we've got amps and cabs. So if you put a guitar into this, guitar amp, guitar cab, you name it, we've got that. Delay. Let's have some delay on this, just as an experiment.
I don't play no games. I've been working hard all day. I just wanna get ready to play. Under the moonlight, baby, I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. I just wanna...
If we don't like the effect, we can just turn it off here and it grays out. Let's go back to the, what else we can put? Delay, distortion. Great for guitars and for instruments to which you can record as well as your voice. So let's cancel that. Let's go back to the track.
I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. I just wanna get ready to play. Under the moonlight, baby, I don't wanna play no games. I've been working hard all day. I just wanna get ready to play.
So there it is. BandLab, the mobile app on Android and on iOS. An incredibly powerful tool. One where you can get so creative. We've just scratched the surface. There's so much more to it, which we'll go into in another video. I hope you found this useful. And there's a question I'd like to ask you, which is, which do you prefer? BandLab on the mobile or BandLab on the PC? Let me know in the comments below. Until the next time, keep making music. So now let's explore the AutoTune feature. So now let's explore the AutoTune feature. So now let's explore the AutoTune